Hello everybody, welcome back to Throttle Grotto. Today I'm doing a quick update on the Mitsubishi and kind of where we're at and some of the problems we've run into along the way. Stay tuned. Alright everybody, so we have made some progress on the Mitsubishi Cyborg project and we've run into some snags along the way. Let me kind of give you an overview real quick. Again, these are real quick videos, not trying to make them super long. But I'll give you an overview of kind of what's happened along the way and some of the problems we're running into with this car. All right, as you can see, the car is on the ground, sitting on its own wheels and suspension and everything for the first time in probably, I don't know, 10 years. Let's say 8. I still have a problem with the car not rolling. Even if it's in neutral, it's not really willing to roll anywhere. So it might be an axle problem, it might be a brake problem. I haven't looked yet. I literally just pulled this on the ground last night. The wiring is, obviously, as you can see, still a mess, and so is the inside of the car. One of the issues we ran into was the JDM wiring was completely hacked. So we found a complete wiring harness from a junkyard for a 92 Mirage, which has all of the right connectors, but one of the issues we're running into there is that the JDM harness doesn't plug into the US fuse box. So we went back to get the headlight harness and they crushed the car. So we're figuring out this part of the scenario. I have wiring diagrams now for the MyVec system and for the ECU, and we're going to try to piece this wiring into the ECU plugs, which are right there. And then I still have to wire up the fuel pump and all that stuff because the fuel pump plug is on the opposite side of the car. So I need to wire that up to make that connect as it would from the factory. We have probably one of the coolest rear hatches. Can't really see it because I got the hood in the way. We got the rear bumper on, the front bumper's on, the hatch and the hatch spoiler are on. But the logistical issues inside the car are what's holding us back right now. And then we also got the front bumper on, and I have the corner markers for it and all that stuff. So have a brand new radiator to put in, new hoses are going in. Still got to do a bunch of stuff with hose clamps and figure out exhaust because the exhaust doesn't seem like it really wants to go on the car. But we're making progress still. We're just held up by some problems. So that's all of the updates right now for the Cyborg project. If you know of where a 92 Mirage headlight and front end harness is, we would love to get one. Or if you have access to a Mitsubishi Cyborg that is wrecked, that has all of the wiring, that hasn't been chopped apart by someone playing Edward Scissorhands on a meth bender, that would be really nice too. I'll keep making updates to this car as we get parts and as things are progressing. So that's it for the Cyborg for this week. Until next time, get out there and work on something.